This video teaches a collection of Canva tricks designed to boost presentations, speed up editing, and elevate visual style. In present mode, single key effects add instant impact. Press B to blur and unblur the slide, useful for regaining attention. Tap C to release confetti for celebrations. Hit D to play a drum roll before a reveal, and press M for a playful mic drop after landing a key point. Tap Q for a shushing gesture to refocus the audience, and press U to open or close dramatic virtual curtains. These shortcuts only work when you are not actively editing text, so be sure the canvas is selected before using them. Inside the Canva editor, quick keystrokes help you build designs faster. T instantly creates a text box, L adds a line, C makes a circle, and R inserts a rectangle for backgrounds or buttons. When several elements need to stay aligned, hold Shift to select them and press Command+G on Mac or Control+G on Windows to group them. Grouping helps maintain spacing, simplifies layout adjustments, and keeps your design consistent. For branding, open the Brand Fetch app to pull logos and color palettes from real companies, allowing you to match official styles with ease. To build aesthetic backgrounds, use the Gradient Generator app to create smooth, modern gradients with optional texture. When searching for media, apply filters in the Elements section to narrow results by file type, color, or animation style. For visual enhancements, the Trippy app adds glitch effects that create bold, energetic looks, while the Prisma app in Edit Photo turns pictures into painterly or cartoon-inspired art. To unify your entire page, right-click an image and choose Apply Colors to Page, letting Canva automatically map the photos palette across your design for instant cohesion.